Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, in this video I will show you how to fix unable to install app. Please try again later on iPhone in iOS 18. So guys, if you're using iPhone or iPad or other iOS device and when you try to download any app, for example, I am going to download this and you need to verify your Apple account, but when I am clicking on not now, then you will see this type of error and not be able to download that app. So let's get started without wasting any time. First of all guys, open your settings. From here you have to scroll it down, click on Wi-Fi, make sure that you have connected with strong internet connection. After this, click on general and check your VPN connection. If you have connected any VPN, you need to disconnect your VPN and now you need to go back. So guys, after this, click on transfer or reset iPhone, click on reset and you need to reset your network settings. And after this, go back. So guys, after going to back, simply you have to click on iPhone storage. And now guys, you need to scroll it below. From here, you need to find your Instagram app that you want to download or install. As you will see, if you have already installed that app, simply you have to click on that app and you have to reinstall your app from here. And guys, if this method is not working for you, simply you need to delete your app from here. And after deleting your app, as you will see, you have to delete this app and you need to go back, open your app store, and here you need to search Instagram. And guys, after searching this, open Instagram and you need to download your Instagram app here. And guys, you can easily download and install that app from your app store. So guys, these are the possible ways to fix this problem. Hope you like this video. If you like this video, please do subscribe my channel. Thank you.